Ever wondered what happens inside a drop of liquid metal as it freezes? It's not what you think. Scientists just made a mind-blowing discovery. We usually think of liquids as a chaotic dance of atoms, but it turns out some atoms don't move at all, even when heated to extreme temperatures. Using a powerful microscope, researchers watched tiny molten metal droplets solidify. To their surprise, some atoms on the surface stayed completely still, pinned to a special material called graphene. These motionless atoms acted like a fence, creating an atomic corral around the liquid inside. This corral trapped the liquid, preventing it from freezing at its normal temperature. The metal stayed liquid over 1,000 degrees below its freezing point. Eventually, it solidified into a strange, disordered state called an amorphous metal. This new, corralled, supercooled liquid is a whole new phase of matter, blending properties of both solids and liquids. This breakthrough could revolutionize everything from creating cleaner technologies to designing more efficient catalysts. Thanks for watching.